Jay Calcutt here in downtown Fort Walton Beach. Today I'm going to be showing you the Grady-White 236 Fisherman. This boat has the classic Grady-White gel coat as well as the signature CV2 V-hull design. This is a 23.5-foot boat which will comfortably seat you as well as 9 other passengers. The Fisherman 236 has a 115-gallon tank and is outfitted with a Yamaha 300. This will run roughly 300 to 350 miles on a full tank. So if you're looking for a moderately sized boat that will go the distance, then this is the one for you. For water sports, this boat has dual boarding platforms as well as a stainless steel 4-step swim ladder to make it easier to get on and off the boat. In the aft, we have a 15-gallon live well, a 40-gallon fish box that also doubles as a cooler. Right here we also have a retractable bench for additional seating. The helm is designed to be very user-friendly, with all of the switches up top to be easily accessible. This also features a full-length windshield as well as a fiberglass hardtop. The leaning post has a flip-up bolster, that way you can be comfortable in any position. One great feature about this boat is the very spacious bathroom with a removable porta potty underneath the console. This boat has plenty of bow seating with adjustable backrests. So whether or not you're going fishing, skiing, or just taking friends and family out for the day, this boat has everything you need. Come see me at MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach. Once again, I'm Jay Calcutt. Give me a call at 850-225-9797. We'll see you soon.